Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So now in this video today, I am really happy to announce that I am going to be a co-host for a collaboration called So You Think You Can Craft, and the host of that collab is Melissa Makes a DIY, and it is an open invite, so come on in everyone. This is going to be really fun and I cannot wait to see you there. Okay, now every month she does have a theme, and this month the theme is wood. Now the date of the collab is June 18 at 2 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern Standard Time.